Hello, lovelies. Thank you and welcome once again to Ebenezer's Recipes. In today's video, I'm sharing with you my green pepper sauce recipe. You can also use this as a marinade. Let's get right into it. So I have my green habanero peppers, green bell peppers, scallion, my herbs, parsley, rosemary, sage, and thyme, shallots, white onion, ginger garlic, aniseed, black pepper, and oil. I'll be using a food processor and a regular blender to blend my vegetables. You can use either one to blend it. Okay, so everything goes into the blender. This is my very first video of the year, and I would like to wish everyone a happy new year and a healthy one as well. Thank you so much for always coming back to support. I had a really bad cold and I even lost my voice, and that is why you guys haven't heard from me this year. But I am here with my first video, yay. So I went ahead to blend my vegetables and then we'll move over to fried. Now we'll be frying this until the oil settles on top. I use my nut and spice blender to blend my black pepper and aniseed, so that is what you see me put in there. We'll give everything a nice mix. We'll cover it and allow it to fry until the oil begins to settle on top. And you would have to stir this every 5 to 10 minutes, okay, so we don't burn the bottom. We'll be stirring this periodically as it continues to fry. If today is your first time on this channel, hello there and welcome to the family. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please consider subscribing if you have not done so. So I've added in my shrimp powder, my curry powder, and nutmeg. You can add in any natural spices of your choice. I'll give it a nice stir. And then I allowed it to continue frying for at least 5 minutes before adding in my stock cube and my salt. To my amazing returning subscribers, thank you so much. I miss you guys so much. Thank you for always coming back to support. God bless you. I truly appreciate you all. So once my seasoning and salt went in, I allowed it to continue frying at least for 10 to 15 minutes or until I knew that it was very well fried. Now this sauce should take you about 20 to 30 minutes until it is nicely fried. We'll be storing this in the refrigerator, okay? And then you can use this as a marinade to your chicken. You can use this as a dipping sauce. And guys, it is absolutely delicious. Before storing it in your refrigerator, please allow it to cool down and then store it into a glass jar. I highly recommend that, okay? This will last you for months in your refrigerator. And it tastes amazing. You can serve this with your fried yam, your kinky. You can use this as a marinade, like I said. Sometimes when I'm making stew and I don't want to blend any onion, garlic, ginger, I do put some of this inside and it takes your stew or your sauce into another level. It is an amazing sauce to have in your refrigerator. Thank you so much for staying with me until this time. Please kindly follow me on all social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and here on YouTube. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.